what's up guys? It's Summer here. Welcome back. I have such a fun video to be sharing with you guys today, and I feel like it's actually been a pretty long time since I've shared with you guys another video, and that's just because I'm literally working my butt off. I have about 10 projects in the works, which I'm very excited about, and I feel so grateful. I can't even believe that this is all like happening so quickly. I pinch myself every time, and I feel so grateful because I love doing this. And some of my projects that are coming up, some are really big ones, some are super fun ones. I'm doing a lot of kid ones, so you're not gonna wanna miss those projects that are coming up. But in the meantime, today I'm sharing with you Drew's bedroom. I've been working with his parents on doing a lot of different spaces in their home. If you didn't get a chance to check those out, the links will be linked below, but they were where we did an entryway makeover and a playroom. And today I'm gonna be doing Drew's bedroom. He asked for a karate themed bedroom, which honestly terrified me when he said karate. I have no clue about karate other than like Karate Kid in the 80s. Yes, I'm that old. But anyways, he wanted a karate themed bedroom, and I was scared because I didn't know how I was gonna make it not like kitschy or cheesy, but look really cool and fun. And I think I succeeded. I think you're gonna like it. If you do, please give this video a thumbs up, and I ask that you would please subscribe to my channel to see more awesome and fun interior design videos like this one. Check out what we did. After checking out Drew's bedroom, I immediately wanted to maximize the use of his space better. The beds were really bulky and taking up almost every inch of the floor. I really wanted him to have more room to play and to grow in, and just give this place a little bit more personality with some bright colors and karate theme. I wanted to incorporate a lot of pattern, texture, and color in this space. When I asked Drew what his favorite colors were, he literally listed every color under the rainbow, so I knew it was going to be a really fun space to design. I did a lot of DIY projects for Drew's bedroom, starting with some cool karate art. I found some images from a stock website, which I have an account to, of these like silhouettes of guys doing different karate moves, and also just kind of like a colorful patterned background. I took this into Photoshop and layered it and resized it to fit my frame specifically, and then I had them printed out at Staples and put them in frames, and I thought it was a great way to display some cool karate art without it seeming too cheesy or kitschy. If you want to learn how I do this further in detail, let me know in the comments below, and I'll be happy to make a video on how to do that better. The next DIY project I wanted to make was this really cool like strike first, strike hard, no mercy stenciled sign. I think that it's actually from like Karate Kid. But you can see here that I got some stencils that were super cheap, like $5 from Michael's. And I was just gonna use these to help stencil the pattern on. You'll see that I wasn't able to fit it all exactly, so we improvised a little bit here. But it was super easy, and it looked so cute in the space. So check out what I do. So the trick is to kind of keep this brush really, really dry on here. Oops, I just messed up. We want to keep the brush really, really dry so it kind of has more of that stencil effect here. This is kind of hard to do, but I'm just going to continue this for all of my letters here. So quick little tip is to use a hair dryer to make sure each letter is dry before using the next letter in whatever you're stenciling. That way you don't make a mess and smear the paint all over the canvas. So I had my buddy Mike help me build this little frame that we are going to use for some really special artwork in Drew's karate bedroom. He had like this like sailboat piece of art from his grandpa that was really special, and we wanted to keep that in the space, but it didn't have a frame. It was just like a canvas. So I had Mike, my handyman, help me build just like this simple little frame, and I'm just using a little bit of, oopsie, I'm using a little bit of Minwax to stain this, and it's gonna look so pretty. I am making some more art for Drew's bedroom space, and I actually had this canvas. It's just like some abstract art that I made a long time ago, several years ago, but it's kind of just been sitting in my closet, not doing anything. And even though I think it's really cool, I figured I might as well use it for Drew's bedroom space. And I was looking for some like karate moves online, and I found this, and I kind of took it into Photoshop and kind of tried to give it like a little vintagey vibe, and I added the karate. And I'm going to use some Mod Podge and just kind of place this on here. And then I have another piece of art, which I also had this canvas that was originally like orangey and painted a color. I just painted it white, and I got some other artwork that I found online and took it into Photoshop, and I'm gonna use this and cut it out and also Mod Podge that. So we have a couple little more pieces of karate art to go in Drew's bedroom. Okay, this might be my favorite DIY I've ever done. Drew has the cutest little dog named Brooklyn, and I took a photo of her and used a program called Adobe Illustrator to illustrate the picture of Brookie, and I made Brooklyn the dog doing karate, and I had it printed out at Staples, and oh my god, it came out so cute. He's gonna be so excited when he sees this. The next order of business for my DIY project was to make a custom headboard for each bed. You can have wood cut at Home Depot, and they will cut it to you to size, and I got some fabric from Joann's Fabrics, and I just am using some batting and some fabric and using a staple gun to kind of wrap it like a present. So here you can see me just kind of wrapping it up, and look how cute and adorable. This was a really inexpensive way to just add a little bit of coziness to the space. We're using my favorite paint today by Duration Sherwin-Williams. It is a must. It just goes on so much easier, and I can't wait to show you guys this color. So Drew helped me pick out this color, and I think he's gonna be so excited. If I could get this open. Check this out, you guys. Wow, this is gonna be pretty. This is called Really Teal by Sherwin-Williams. I think it's gonna be really nice in here, and I'm all prepped and taped and ready to go. Here. Wow! What do you think? Look at the color. You like it? Okay, good. Check out what I did in here. My video, I'm doing a video. I'm gonna go do my video. And stuff in traffic.
Yes.
I can't hear it.
It is recording.
You sure?
Yeah.
Okay. Come and see what we did in here. Hello?